Hello guys, today we'll talk about the real-time messaging framework and we'll see how this real-time messaging framework is helping enterprise application to connect with each other. So we'll understand through this one small example and then I will expand the framework. Hi guys, let's take one use case and to understand how different applications are interacting in a hospital, and through that we'll understand the need of the framework and then we'll develop a framework. So a patient is there. He is looking at appointment a given hospital, so he will call to the hospital department. So once a hospital get a call, they will collect name, date of birth, insurance details, and what they will do, they will check eligibility for that patient. So they will send 270 to SSI application. SSI will respond with the 271. If everything works fine, hospital staff will give date and time for hospital visit. Given date and time, patient will go to hospital. Very beginning, he will go to the registration department. In this case, MS4 is the application where all the registration related information are getting captured. As soon as all the information are given to MS4, MS4 will release the ADT, admitting information to different downstream systems. It may be a SSI in this case, another system Cerner, pharmacy, laboratory, radiology, all the department will get this transaction. We are talking one more system, Artiva. So Artiva will also get a ADT. Now, the patient will go to the given doctor room. So supporting staff will collect basic information about the patient. It's a weight, height, blood pressure, etc. And these can be logged into the Cerner system. If it is already an old patient, there will be history about that patient will be available in the Cerner system. Once a doctor checks that patient, if he thinks, okay, we have to order some of the lab work, so he will send the order to the lab department. And lab will send the result back to the doctor. If there is a need for some of the MRI or X-ray radiology department, order can be sent. These orders will be placed and result can come back to the system. If a medication is requested, it will go to the order, will drop into pharmacy. Result can be, medicine can be sent back. Once the treatment completes for a patient, he will discharge and he can go home and take rest. Now, once a patient goes back, billing department comes in picture. So all charges will be dropped to the billing system, charges from lab, charges from radiology, charges from pharmacy. Billing department, billing application will work with the SSI. SSI can send 835 and EOB. Artiva can work with the payers, and bill will send back to the patient, and patient will pay this bill to the billing department. In case it is not paying on time, then it can go to debt collector. Debt collector will work with the billing department. So this is the small workflow in a hospital. So here the thing, what the major application MS4, if you see the MS4 is one of the major application which is releasing data on the real time. Same way Cerner is there, it's also releasing data into real time. So in this case, we have a real time data transfer need. And in hospital system, once patient is there, it may be in serious condition, and data is very important to save his life or her life, right? So we have to build a framework which can help these enterprise application to integrate with each other, and data can flow seamlessly, right? So if we are talking about the enterprise application, we are talking about the MS4. We have Cerner. In this case, we have SSI, we have Artiva, we'll have Mobile MD. These are the different enterprise big applications which are implemented in an organization. We can say these are the enterprise applications. And we have to integrate these applications. So data transfer will be seamless. So let's build a framework which will help to build a seamless data transfer between the systems. Case we'll have source and destination applications, or the applications you can say. They can publish the data to the adapter. This adapter will receive a data on real time, and it will send a acknowledgement to the publisher. Another layer will talk about the queue. In this example, we are talking about the MQ. And there may always a need, or possible a need, to transform the data. So here we will talk about the broker. It will do a transforming the data. Once the data get transformed, we can push the data into queue. Through the queue, adapter can take data, and adapter can move this data to the destination application. So in this case, so we have applications sitting in layer 1. Then we are talking about the adapter. This adapter can be built in Java or .NET applications. We are talking here the adapter here. And then we can take queue, MQQ. We are talking about the IBM MQ and the IBM broker. So this will be a architecture for real-time messaging. And MQ will make sure that once a delivery, so it will make sure that we are not losing any data. So if you build this framework, so let's expand the framework. So this is our source system MS4, publishing ADT data through the TCP IP to the source adapter. It connects with the MQ. In this case, we have taken MQ for the reliability. We are looking assurance of the data delivery. We don't want to lose any data. So Q1 is receiving this data. This is going to publish to broker. Broker will do transformation. Let's say that once we say transformation, let's say we have first name, last name, and we want to remove the middle name. That we can remove. We can transform this. Once we transform this data, then we can publish that to the time Q. Let's say Q2. Q2 will connect with the destination adapter. Destination adapter is going to connect with the so this is more like an enterprise application integration. I hope this helps. Thank you.